Darwin embarked on his own most famous voyage of discovery as a naturalist and geologist aboard the HMS Beagle on its second voyage, 1831 to 1836, which ended just before the publication by Buckland cited previously. Buckland and Darwin were contemporaries and were both greatly influenced by their shared zeitgeist, the defining spirit, ideas, and beliefs of the educated upper classes in 19th century England. But Darwin's own observations, combined with the newly emerging conceptual frameworks of his contemporaries, led him down an intellectual path that came into direct conflict with the core beliefs of the natural theologists. Scientific historians often attribute Darwin's chronic physical ailments and long delay in publishing On the Origin of Species to the anguish, soul-searching, and social pressure of coming into direct conflict with the deeply held beliefs of his friends and his community. In fairness to both Darwin and to science, however, we must also attribute some of the delay to the attention to detail and high standards of scholarship that are often found among the scientific community. Darwin's theory of natural selection was one of the most significant developments in the history of science in general, and the history of biology in particular. Both Darwin and historical accounts have also acknowledged the contribution of Alfred Russel Wallace, who came up with a similar theory around the same time. The theory of natural selection laid the groundwork for the passion and curiosity of the natural theologists to be transformed into the passion and curiosity of the natural scientists. Both groups share a common tradition of careful, detailed observations and meticulous documentation and sharing of their empirical findings. Both have a deep respect for scholarly pursuits, for philosophy, for history, for knowledge, and for truth. Both share the excitement and courage of the great explorers. But where they differ is in their core beliefs regarding the source, the causes, the forces that create the natural wonders that they discover. These core beliefs represent powerful conceptual frameworks that lead to different conclusions regarding the significance of the facts they uncover. Where the natural theologists attributed the wonders of nature to the designs and creations of God, Darwin's theory of natural selection offered a different explanation, namely that the wonders of nature arise by natural processes that obey the principles or laws of physics, chemistry, and biology. Although modern biologists have much in common with the natural theologists, they do part ways when it comes to explaining biological complexity, adaptations, and the origin of species, and in particular, the origins of human beings.